Echo 5, hold short of taxiway for Hotel.
Yeah, was your ground handling making the call? I don't have any more information. You'll get it from ground.
Okay. Salem 871, confirm we checked in.
Get them A1 at November 2, cross 27 behind the departing company A330 line of within 109 existing 07, runway 18 left, clear takeoff.
Clear takeoff, runway 18 left, KLM 225.
November 2, cross 27 behind the triple in front of you, line of 1 left behind.
Clear land, 1 kilo 5 on 2. Ja, goedemiddag, dus Lima, 1 center.
260 miles, Roger, de wind 100 on 2.
Geweldig, many people hier.
See you.
Oh, dat is geweldig. Hij is mooi. Het is van een special day, guys. It's not every day we have this. Only vandaag en morgen, toch?
Klopt.
Yeah. Only 2 days, and that's why it's very special today. Oh, but I cannot see, guys, from here.
No, B11 departures runway 09 and 4. Still hold short, I'll tell you.
Final.
Dus ik zie maar Jetland 18 cent in de wind 11014.
170%, dus ik Lima.
Get about 275, Echo 4, line up 18 left.
Line up away from 18 left, Echo 4, yeah, number 275. Tower Cargo King 218, hold short of November 2.
Multi 11 at November 2 to cross runway 27. Cargo King 218, the caution, November 2 cross 27, taxi Echo 6.
November 2, hold short of runway 27, come.
Clear to 918 center, France 8 for Bravo 6.
Get 1375, the wind is 109 existing, 16, runway 18 left, Echo 4, clear for takeoff.
18 left, clear takeoff, get 1275.
Multi 11, Echo 6, line up and wait on runway 18 left. Element Arrow 300, this is tower, you can you're clear to the local flight again.
Local flight, 300.
Go Go King 218 behind, Airbus 330, line up runway 18 left behind.
Behind the aircraft, the line for the way, the runway 18 left, King 218.
Ik ga jou roepen.
Is goed, is goed.
Ja? Allemaal board control, guys. Resetten. Doei. Nou is de tanker. You're right. Thank you so much. Get up.
LT11, Zema 18 left, clear takeoff. Wind 100, 9 gusting 06. ISS 501 behind the 777, line up runway 18 left behind.
Behind the 777, line up away, runway 18 left behind. I said 501.
Oh, good day, Uni 133, Medivac established ILS, runway 18 center.
Uni 133, good day, the wind is 110 degrees, 1 for knots, runway 18 center, you're clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 18 center, Uni 133.
Door de goede 9 kilometer, Victor, Echo 4, ready for departure.
8 Victor, hello, hold short, expect to be behind an Iceland Air.
Okay, hold short, 1 left, Echo 4, and then stand by for the Iceland Air. Kilometer, good afternoon, Orange 367, are you signal?
Orange 367, goeiedag, behind the Iceland Air, line up runway 18 left behind, one departure in between.
Behind the Iceland Air, line up away, runway 8 left, copy the city, operate in between.
Cargo King 218, the wind is 090 degrees, 9 knots, gust 14, runway 18 left, cleared for takeoff.
Runway right, left, cleared for takeoff, Cargo King 218.
And Air 300 to be sure, I didn't know if I got your readback, but you're cleared to the local flight again, at 200 to below. And manned Aero 300, tower?
Tower in Aero 300?
I don't know if I ever got the readback, but to be sure, you're cleared to the local flight again, at 200 feet to below.
I give you that's clear for local flight, 200 feet below, in the Aero 7. And 300, 500 again, sorry.
Roger.
Uni 133, vacated to Whiskey 6.
Roger, contact ground control on 121.905.
121.905, Uni 133.
ISS 501, the wind 109, 4, left, you are cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 18 left, is 501.
is goed man. Moeder, je vader, kom naar mij toe, kom naar mij toe. Kom naar mijn Pulderbaan. Hey, goed man, hey, thank you.
Ik spreek je weer.
Oké, dankjewel hè, jullie. Bro from, and sister from Solo guys, at least. Thank you. Lisette guys, our bird control from Schiphol. Lisette. If you see in the Polderbaan and the car with the bird control and she is the driver and she is the bird control. Lisette. Nice. Our bird control from Schiphol. Lisette. Female bird control. Oh, it's nice. Is niet veel. Dit is van Telegraph, guys. This photographer from Telegraph. The two, okay. From Telegraph, bro from Telegraph. Okay, come again.
KLM 635, the wind is 0909 gusting 6, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 18 left, clear for takeoff, KLM 635. Tower of the day, Cargolux, Italia 499, Eddie, ready.
Cargolux 499, hello, behind the departing 78, land up on the left behind.
Land up on wait 1 at left behind, Cargolux, Italia 499.
Kijk, dit is scherp hè, zetten.
Ready 215, the wind 090, 13, gusting 18, runway 18, you're clear to land.
Clear to land on Eastern, Saudi 215. Tower, Kilo from Qatar 22, Yankee, IRS 18 center.
Qatar 2 Yankee, the wind 090, 13, gusting 18, continue process number 2.
Approach, continue, Qatar 22, Yankee.
California folks behind the 74, line up on the left behind.
Behind the 74, line up, Echo 618 left behind, KLM 4 line up.
Cargolux 499, clear for takeoff runway 18 left. Within 100 degrees, 10 knots, gusting 16.
Clear for takeoff 18 left, Cargolux, Italia 499. Hello, KLM 1801 approaching Echo 618 left, ready 6.
Sorry, Stacy calling.
KLM 1801, Echo 6 ready 6.
501, good day, behind the company in Berlin, up on 18 left behind.
Behind the company line up runway 18 left behind, KLM 1801.
Qatar 2 Yankee, the wind 090, 14 knots, clear to land on the center.
Clear land 18 center, Qatar 2 Yankee.
941, you're ready to be sure?
About 10 seconds, K941.
That's one, go to the wind 109, gust 14, 18 left, takeoff 4, clear takeoff.
Clear takeoff 18 left, take 4, Kilo 941. Good afternoon, Taxi 681 Victor 44, runway 1201.
Taxi 681 Victor, good day. Line up away, runway 22. Expect about 3 to 4 minutes for your departure.
Line up away, runway 22, West.
Amsterdam 7425, the 110 degrees, 10 knots, gusting 15, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 1A left, clear for takeoff, yeah, 07425. Tower, goedemiddag, we staan 9 Juliet, we are ready for 6.
79 Juliet, behind 74, line up 18 left behind, expect 1 departure, runway 22 in between.
Let's copy the 974, 18 and then equals 6 and wait behind, 79 Juliet.
Toch een goede dag, de 5 Delta sequence.
Now, Kilo 35 Charlie, approaching Echo 4, we are ready for departure.
35 Charlie, roger. Calum 63 Yankee, runway 18 left, clear take off, wind 0 and 0 at 10, gusting 15.
Okay, take off, 18 left, Calum 63.
Hotel 1723, contact departure, bye-bye.
Departure, Thomas Center.
Brother, we have 79 Quebec, contact departure, bye-bye.
Over departure, Cruiser, we have 79 Quebec.
Calum 35 Charlie, the end company departing from the beginning, line up runway 18 left, Echo 4 behind. Calum 35 Charlie.
35 Charlie, go ahead.
Behind company now rolling, line up 18 left, Echo 4 behind.
Yeah, the company now rolling, line up away, Echo 4 left behind, and on 35 Charlie.
Calum 65 November, line up runway 18 left, Echo 5, intersection departure in front.
And avoid 18 left, Echo 5, intersection in front, left 35.
Hello Tower, MS 96 Romeo, holding short, 18 left. 96 Romeo, line up runway 18 left, Echo 6, number 3 for departure.
Line up and wait on 18 left, yeah, Echo 6, number 9 Romeo.
Calum 35 Charlie, runway 18 left, Echo 4, cleared for takeoff, wind 100 at 10, gusting 15.
Just take up 18 left, Echo 4, Calum 35 Charlie.
Calum 65 November, runway 18 left, Echo 5, cleared for takeoff, wind 100 at 8, gusting 15.
Let us 5 clear to take off, Calum 65 November.
184 to Romeo, line of sequence, Romeo 18 left, echoes. Emirates 96 Romeo, Romeo 18 left, clear to take off, wind 09088, gusting 15.
Clear for takeoff, runway 18 left, Emirates 96 Romeo. And 96 Romeo, rolling.
Roger, bye.